Bum 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 bum. Welcome to Learn with Savannah.
Hi guys! Happy Easter! Today we're going to make a Lego Jello Jesus. And for that we're going to need Mr. Gulaman, a yellow one, and carnation, and of course some sugar, and our mold, our Lego Jesus. Okay guys, so we'll pour the water first, and then we'll put the Mr. Gulaman. We'll put the sugar, pour the milk.
So we've poured 2 cans of milk, and now we're mixing them together. And then we will see the results later.
So we'll wait for this to boil, guys, and then we will put it in our mold.
Okay guys, now it's boiling. That means it's almost ready.
Now we're going to pour the Jello in the mold, and we will see the result later after it's done being jellified.
And this is our finished product, guys. Our Lego Jello Jesus. Happy Easter! And remember, Jesus loves us so much that He gave His life, died on the cross, and rose again. Bye-bye!